Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about the various myths that revolve around the CSIR NET national level examination. Thousands of students give this particular examination every single year, but there are so many myths that are there around this exam. Let's talk about each one of them and let's talk about what actual or what the main reality is. So one of the most prominent myth is that it is completely impossible without coaching. Without taking any coaching, without taking anything, it's impossible to qualify this particular examination. If you ask about me, it is not the case. There are students who have qualified this examination with self study. I am myself an example of the same. It is the requirement of the student based on which you have to decide whether you require a coaching or not. It's not a compulsion for you to take a coaching, right? You can opt out for self study as well. It is completely dependent on you. But having this particular thought in mind that it is absolute impossible is a wrong thing. Another important मिथ इन द सेम लाइन इज कि सिर्फ टॉपर्स ही क्रैक कर सकते हैं इस एग्जामिनेशन को. एब्सोल्युटली नो. ऐसा कहीं पर भी नहीं लिखा कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक टॉपर स्टूडेंट CSIR का एग्जामिनेशन क्वालिफाई कर सकता है. आई वॉज अ वेरी वेरी एवरेज स्टूडेंट ड्यूरिंग माई मास्टर्स सेगमेंट. इट वॉज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई वुड बी गेटिंग 90% और 100% मार्क्स. हर स्टूडेंट हर क्लास के अंदर यू कैन हैव ओनली फ्यू ऑफ द टॉपर्स, लेकिन समटाइम्स इवन द टॉपर्स इन मास्टर्स, इवन समवन हु इज अ टॉपर इन देयर ग्रेजुएशन, they end up not qualifying the examination, right? So do not have this particular thought in mind कि अगर आप टॉपर नहीं है तो आप एग्जाम क्वालिफाई नहीं कर सकते. कैन क्वालिफाई. नाउ in the same line, it is not only for the toppers. If you are someone who is very much consistent in their preparation, who have the right strategy, you can easily qualify it. If you just sit with thousands of book in your mind, thousands of book in your shelf, and you think about that I would be qualifying it, absolutely no. You have to have a proper strategy. A general normal student who is there in a normal student who is actually working towards their goal with a proper consistent strategy, with a proper consistent strategy and a proper consistent effort towards that strategy, they can easily qualify the examination all and over again, right? Then if you are someone who cannot afford the course, who cannot afford a specific course, and you want to go for self study only, come in our Lakshya batch. You are most welcome in our Lakshya batch. Botany Insider have started off with this initiative that every single student should get the benefit of education, should get the benefit of guidance from us. We have a Lakshya batch ongoing. आपको link description box में मिल जाएगा. It's absolutely free of cost. You just have to join in our Telegram group and you can qualify the examination with a self guided preparation. आपकी preparation खुद की होगी, but it would be in a guided manner, and that guidance will be from Botany Insider, from your mentor, from me, who would guide you on daily basis. We will give you tasks on daily basis. We will give you tests on daily basis. So if you want to go for self study and if you cannot afford a course, if you cannot afford coaching, go for self study. इसमें बॉटनी इनसाइडर आपको हेल्प करेगा. हज़ारों स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके अंदर टैलेंट होता है. देयर आर सो मैनी स्टूडेंट्स आउट देयर हु आर वेरी वेरी टैलेंटेड, who want to do something great in life. Botany Insider is your support. Botany Insider will work as an elder sister for you. So come in our Lakshya batch. I'll give you more information about the free batch in the further segment, in the further slide. Wait for that. Followed by that, next, what is the mool mantra of success? Doing only part B, only part C, only part A? No. पार्ट ए प्लस पार्ट बी प्लस पार्ट सी, जो ये एडिशन का साइन है, ये एडअप करके ही आपको सक्सेस मिलेगी. अगर आप ये दिमाग में रखते हैं दैट आई विल बी डूइंग ओनली द थ्योरी पार्ट और ओनली द मैथ्स पार्ट और आई विल कंप्लीटली नेग्लेक्ट द मैथ्स पार्ट, you're not going to qualify. You have to have a proper part A, part B, part C, all three things completed together for absolute success in the examination. So remember, part A, general aptitude should be done properly. Part B, theory portion should be done properly. Part C, facts, experiments, application, implication, everything should be done in the best manner, right? Then another very important, very wrong myth that students have who are preparing for the first time, that you have to cover every single topic to qualify, all 13 units in depth, detailed, very much rote memorized to qualify. No, absolutely wrong. You have to have a smart selection and in-depth understanding of the core topics. Those things work better. Analyze previous year question papers, check what the previous year questions are from, where are they from, how are the questions getting framed, from which area are the questions getting framed, work upon them, and then only you can qualify. Just going in a rat race और रनिंग इन अ क्राउड, 1000, 2000, 50,000 लोगों के क्राउड में भागने से कि हमें सिर्फ यही करना है और पूरा सिलेबस कवर करना है, आप कभी एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई नहीं करेंगे. स्टैंड अलोन, बिल्ड योर ओन सेल्फ, थिंक अबाउट व्हाट अ टॉपर और व्हाट समवन हु इज़ एक्चुअली क्वालिफाइंग. हर साल बच्चे जो टॉपर निकल कर आते हैं उनका क्या माइंडसेट होगा, वो माइंडसेट समझने की कोशिश करो कि उन्होंने किस तरीके से एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन की होगी. पूरा की पूरा इंडिया जो बच्चे पेपर देते हैं सबके पास सेम सिलेबस है, बट क्यों सिर्फ कुछ गिनती के बच्चे एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई करते हैं? बिकॉज दे आर स्मार्ट in understanding the strategy, they are smart enough in understanding कि एग्ज़ाम की नीड क्या है, एग्ज़ाम क्या डिमांड करता है. सो यू शुड बी द वन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द इम्पोर्टेंस, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द रिक्वायरमेंट एंड द मेन सेगमेंट्स ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? सो किसी भीड़ में मत भागो, किसी लेक्चर्स के पीछे मत भागो कि हज़ारों बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं हम भी वही पढ़ेंगे. आप उन हज़ारों की भीड़ में गायब हो जाओगे. अगर आपको स्टैंड अलोन करना है, जो आपके लिए सही है वो करो, जो आपको लगता है आपको आपकी सक्सेस की तरफ लेकर जाएगा उस चीज़ पर दिमाग लगाओ, उस चीज़ के ऊपर मेहनत करो. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट रनिंग इन अ रैट रेस, यू आर नॉट रनिंग इन अ रेस जहाँ पर no one thinks about you. All they think, all that is looked upon is the crowd. क्राउड में कभी भी कोई स्टैंड आउट नहीं करता. बिल्ड योर ओन सेल्फ. इट विल टेक टाइम बट बिल्ड योर ओन सेल्फ एंड प्रिपेयर अकॉर्डिंगली. देन अनदर मिथ, बिकॉज अभी एग्जाम का जस्ट रिजल्ट आया है, यू विल सी द सेम टॉपर ऑन एवरी इंस्टीट्यूट, यू विल सी एवरीथिंग, every student on every institute reading about some or the other topper strategy, and they would say, someone would say they studied for 18 hours a day, someone would say they would not sleep for the entire night. Absolute rubbish. You need not to study for 14 to 16 hours a day. We all are humans. You cannot study for 14 hours a day on daily basis. Absolutely impossible. क्वालिटी ऑफ स्टडीज़ मैटर करती है क्वांटिटी से. आप चाहे 2 घंटे पढ़ाई करो, वो 2 घंटे के अंदर अगर आपके आउटपुट से आप टॉपिक कंप्लीट कर पा रहे हो, टॉपिक समझ पा रहे हो, दैट मैटर्स. 8 घंटे लेक्चर्स के सामने बैठे रहोगे, लाइव क्लासेस में बैठे रहोगे, यू एंड अप नॉट डूइंग इवन वन सिंगल सेल्फ स्टडी आवर, कुछ नहीं होगा आपका. क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन पर ध्यान दो कि मैं अपने प्रेपरेशन के लिए कहाँ मेहनत कर रहा हूँ. 2000 बच्चे एक लाइव क्लास में बैठकर आप क्या सीखोगे उस लाइव क्लास में? क्योंकि मुझे किसी टॉपर ने बोला 16 घंटे पढ़ना है तो मैं सिर्फ टाइम क्लॉक लगाकर 16 आवर्स का टाइमर सेट करके पढ़ाई करूँ, कुछ नहीं होगा. आपकी वो क्वालिटी ही नहीं आएगी. एक तरीके से स्टडी करो, एक प्रॉपर एनालिटिकल तरीके से पढ़ाई करो. चाहे आप एक दिन के अंदर प्रेपरेशन की बिगिनिंग में, आई अंडरस्टैंड वी नीड टू कंप्लीट आवर कोर्स वर्क ऑन टाइम, लेकिन क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन मैटर करती है, क्वांटिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन, क्वांटिटी ऑफ लेक्चर्स मैटर नहीं करते। एक पर्टिकुलर यूनिट 1000 टॉपिक में 1000 पेजेस के अंदर दी गई इज़ यूजलेस। एक यूनिट 100 पेजेस में दी गई है, प्रॉपरली एक्सप्लेन्ड है, प्रॉपरली आपकी समझ में आ रही है, दैट इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू, that is going to that is something which is going to provide you the actual results. Then if you fail once you will never crack it. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स अभी सेकेंड अटैम्प्ट देने वाले होंगे, थर्ड अटैम्प्ट देने वाले होंगे, एंड यू माइट थिंक दैट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू क्वालिफाई अगेन. नो, अगर आप एक बार फेल हुए इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप क्वालिफाई नहीं करेंगे. यू माइट टेक अ बिट लॉन्गर, बट there are many achievers, there are many toppers, there are many students out there जो multiple attempts के बाद qualify करते हैं. I am not asking you कि आप बहुत बार attempt दीजिए and I am glorifying that. No, I am not glorifying number of attempts. I am giving you the motivation that if you are preparing for the second time, if you are preparing for the third time, don't lose hope. Do not lose hope. Have faith in yourself. Have that zeal in yourself that it's okay. I failed once. I fell down once. I'll stand up stronger. I'll stand up taller. So many achievers qualify after multiple attempts, right? Perseverance matter and not the number of attempts. आपके अंदर कितनी zeal है, how motivated are you, that matters. I understand after failing we end up losing hopes, we end up losing our confidence, but it's a part of life. Every examination has two sides to it. Either we qualify or we do not qualify, right? So remember this. अगर एक बार qualify नहीं हुआ कोई नहीं, it's okay to fail. Learn from your mistakes and move forward. Work upon your mistakes and give the examination the next time. What are the final tips that I can give you from my end? Very first thing, believe in yourself. That's the very first mantra in your preparation. That's the very first important thing in your preparation. If you believe in yourself, if you have that faith in yourself, if you have that confidence in yourself, and if you have that zeal in yourself that I can do it, if you have this particular segment that you can do it internally in your head, if you think you are a qualifier, you are going to showcase the result in the main examination, then anyone with consistent effort, whether you were a topper, you were not a topper, average student, below average student, doesn't matter. There are many students, or if I give you an example, there were so many students in our school who were backbenchers and right now they are doing wonders in their life. So just never think about that because I was a below average student, I was a low scorer student and I won't be able to qualify a national level. Students who were just getting 40%, 50% in 12th, they are completed, they have qualified UPSC and they are reputed IAS officers in our country. So this is what you should learn from any motivating person out there. Anyone with consistent effort, school marks, college marks, doesn't matter. Your mental state, your zeal to qualify the examination matters. Stay consistent. Do not think आज 2 घंटे, कल 8 घंटे, फिर 1 घंटा, फिर 10 दिन no पढ़ाई, then following the same routine. No, every day be consistent. किसी दिन 4 घंटा पढ़ाई करा, किसी दिन 5 hours, किसी दिन 4, किसी दिन 3, but consistently, daily मेहनत, not a day कि 6 दिन पढ़ाई नहीं करा और 2 दिन में 10-10 घंटे पढ़ाई करा, won't give you the result. So be consistent, stay consistent in your preparation. Use authentic resources. Do not fall in the trap of crowd. Saying that very straightforward. Trap में मत फंसो. Do not fall in the trap of a crowd. Do not fall in the trap of the number of people doing it. Stand out, stand alone, stand strong and use authentic resources. Have some common sense. 1 unit, 100 lectures, useless. 1 unit, 20 lectures, still workable. Just see what return on investment are you getting. Are you able to solve those 100 questions? Are you able to finish off those 100 classes? Absolutely not possible. If that is the case, take 2 years to qualify the examination. Don't think you can qualify in 6 months. So use authentic and genuine resources for yourself. Then this is about our success batch. This is a free batch that Botany Insider has started off for you all. It's a batch that gives you free guidance on daily basis, regularly, with tests, PDFs, resources, guidance every day. Link is in the description box. Check that out. Fill in the empty seats in our Telegram channel. We already have 200 plus students who have joined in the Lakshya batch. Be the next one, join there, understand what we are doing there. We already have so many students who are preparing with us completely free of cost. We have paid batches as well, obviously, but there are free batch. This one is the free batch that we have started off for you all, right? The link is in the description box. We have a focus batch, which is a paid batch that we started for the December 25 with structured live classes, exam cracker books, something or one resource that is required for you to qualify this particular examination. So go ahead, grab these books and get through the examination with flying numbers. Get the previous year question paper book, get the exam cracker book. You have the WhatsApp number in front of you. Contact me over there. I'll help you and provide you with the best solutions. Then this is the WhatsApp number that we have, where you can call your elder sister, you can call me, you can connect with me, and you can prepare in the best manner possible. So I hope this video gave you some eye openers. This video helped you in understanding that what is the reality behind the examination and how can you be the next topper. So I hope it's very much clear to everyone. Any doubt, any problem, feel free to connect with your friend, feel free to connect with your sister. Comment down anything that you want to ask in the comment section, and I'll make sure that all of your problems are resolved. Thank you for joining in. Comment down, I'm going to be the next JRF, and let's manifest it for the next examination. All the best, everyone. Good luck.